Willkommen and welcome back. Today is mainly about translation. And in between, I'm going to say some notes or observations that might be helpful. So if you want, keep a piece of paper on the side to write the things that you might find interesting. For the first exercise, try to translate those following sentences. Let's read them together. I feel scared. Ich habe Angst. I feel scared is one of those sentences that are completely different in German. I am very happy. Ich bin sehr glücklich. Sehr is used to say very. Sehr glücklich, very happy. I am a funny, kind and brave person. Ich bin eine lustige, freundliche und mutige Person. In this case, you say eine because the word Person is feminine. Die Person. That's why, regardless of your gender, you say eine Person. In my family, I have 6 brothers. In meiner Familie habe ich 6 Brüder. Brüder is the plural form of brother. Bruder. You just replace the O with the O umlaut. Try it one more time. Together. To touch your hair. Die Haare berühren. Where is the school? Wo ist die Schule? The church is next to the restaurant. Die Kirche ist neben dem Restaurant. I know at first it might be confusing because you keep seeing them, for example. Again, don't worry about it. It's a bit complicated, that's why we are going to leave it to another lesson. The most important thing is that you know that the word the restaurant is das Restaurant. Do you want a plastic bag? Möchtest du eine Plastiktüte? Here you say eine and not ein because Plastiktüte is also feminine. So you say die Plastiktüte, eine Plastiktüte. We are cleaning the kitchen. Wir putzen die Küche. You might have noticed that the German language doesn't have a similar time to the present progressive. It's a normal present. We are cleaning, wir putzen. We clean is also wir putzen. Again. Ich brauche es. I need it. Sie kennt es. She knows it. Sie sieht es an der Schule. She sees it at school. Haben Sie es? Do you have it? Ich mag es sehr. I like it very much. A couple of things to keep in mind. In the third sentence, an means at, but it's only used with places. The fourth sentence, haben Sie es, doesn't mean do they have it. Even though sie means they, sie is always the way to talk to someone in a more formal way. How can you find out which sie is written here? It's simple. When the S is written as a capital letter, then that sie is in the formal way. When sie is written with a small letter, then it's the normal they. Here, haben sie es, the S is written as a capital letter. That's why in English it would be translated into do you have it, with the intention of being formal. Let's try it again. Kochen Sie in der Küche? Are you cooking in the kitchen? Here, it's also a formal way, because Sie is written with a capital letter. Abendessen kochen. To cook dinner. Ich gehe zu der Schule. I go to the school. Sie haben Brot im Haus. They have bread in the house. In this case, it is impossible to know which sie I'm talking about. It depends mostly on the context. Because sie now is written as a first word, so it's going to be automatically written as a capital letter. Sie putzt das Wohnzimmer am Samstag. She cleans the living room on Saturday. Is what you say when you want to talk about the days of the weeks. Am Montag. Am Dienstag. One more thing. I think you have already noticed that all names are written as capital letters in the German language, regardless whether they are people or things. As long as the word has an article, the first letter of it has to be written as a capital letter. And that was the end of our lesson for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye!